Well, niko live. Na nitakuongelesha, acha ni join acha nimalize live afu nini. Good morning, mko poa? Joining. Leo nataka tukave vitu tu rahisi. Leo nataka tukave cup and handle. Kuna reason nilisema mtoke boom 1000 and I will explain why. Inanimekia sense yes by, but kuna vitu ili violate jana. Ili violate 1 2 3 things and then bado kuna reason nyingine inafanya. That's the reason nataka kufunza stories za cup and handle. Because so for boom 1000 to have gone that far up, it was going the distance of the cup. Kitu inaitwa no wonder nataka kuexplain kwa sababu kuna msema ameniuliza kwa nini tulitoka. The reason is tulimaliza kwenda distance ya cup saidi juu. Yesterday the market violated nitango aje ile channel candlestick ya day ya channel ya ile ya candlestick ya day ya jana ya boom 1000 ili close it ya chini. So I had to take a look at it again, and I will fully say I'm not so sure if that market will go up. And the reason, I'll give reasons why I doubted my trade as much as naona bullish flag. I really doubted that setup, and then scored tulitoka mapema kwa sababu I see it dropped, and then bado saizi imerudi kwenye trade yetu yuko, but that was a big negative. Mtoto alikuwa hapo na 0.50. If that market dropped at around hapo, ilikuwa negative kubwa kwa sababu I think mimi nikitoka 0.50 I had a negative of around $60. Kuna kitu tu nilinotice na like I make sense. So someone texted me I should be talking English. I'm dealing with a lot of people who are not Kenyans, so I'll do that in a few. So nataka tufike wangapi? 27 already. Group imekuwa pound JPY. Pound JPY, wacheni niwaambie. Now, ni venye ni kuja za forex. Pound JPY, I'm not really I will look at it, but still nilisema hivi anything 30 minutes Margaret acha nayo man. Any market mna trade na 30 minutes acha nini nayo. Kuna kitu nilikuwa nijibu hapo juu before I come to Margaret hapo hivyo chini. On the pound JPY. Pound JPY, we have to know about, lazima tujue direction ya gold. And I said this, pound JPY, the reason we are checking on gold is this reason is gold who controlled JPY pairs. Sijui kama mnanielewa. Gold who controlled JPY pairs. If gold continue to go up, any pair against gold will drop. Sawa? Tuko pamoja hadi hapo. If gold continue to go up, any pair against JPY gold down, because I said this, JPY China back up pesa zao. China have backed their money in BRICS, in terms of gold. They have backed their cash in terms of gold. Like, I don't know, the reserve, how do you explain that? The reserve their money. They have reserved their money in terms of gold. So whenever gold gains strength, JPY, in short, whenever gold gains strength, JPY pair gains strength. So the position we are at the moment, I want to answer that because I don't want to go to do analysis and then I tell you it will sell. And then gold, penye imefika, where we are at the moment, I'm waiting to see if gold drops because it's already done with distant X. So there is a high chance gold is going to go back down. And if gold drops, that means pound JPY will start going up, will start buying. Why? Because JPY will lose strength. And I've said JPY depends its strength on gold. So as long as gold is strong, any pair against JPY will drop. So, and if gold loses strength, JPY, yen, will lose strength also. It's as simple as, that's something you should always remember. So if you're going to trade any pair with JPY on the side, you have to know how gold is surviving. You can never trade any JPY if you do not know how gold is doing. These pairs are as important as that. And the reason why the market is not really dropping, if you look at Euro USD, Pound USD and the rest, they are waiting for gold. They are waiting for gold to get done with whatever they are doing, so that the dollar take over, because the dollar will take over very soon. So where were we? I was to explain about boom 1000, because in matter of 30 minutes we do not trade anything below 4 hours or 3 hours. At volatility, if you go basi chini sana, if you decide to trade volatility on the lower side, the lowest you can go is 2 hours. Any pattern is at 30 minutes, just leave them, darling. You're gambling, especially with crash and boom. If you look for smaller time frame, they will mess you up big time. That market will crash you. So let's go to whatever I wanted to explain about boom, so that I can explain about the Campeonato. The reason I said to people to close boom 1000, as much as we had a bullish flag, I have gotten that question so many times on my phone. So let me explain. Yeah. I want to explain on boom 1000, and then from there, wait a minute, I want to open let me open my Zoom, the one I draw, so that I do not keep going back to open it. As I explained, Zoom ikuwe inafunguka. So when it comes to matters of forex, one is rated. That's why we usually say we have mother currencies, like pairs we dictate for other pairs. Those pairs can never survive. Like the way Audi dictate for all the pairs it has. Yeah, I'm opening my laptop because we're going to look at boom 1000 and the cup and handle. That is the reason I want to train. If you don't trade on smaller time frame, how do you set your stop loss? When mgeni hapa, naona kuna mse mgeni hapa. Darling, I don't use stop loss. For the last 7 years, I really tried my best to make sure I do not need a stop loss when I'm trading. I hold trades, and then I make sure I have a good account. I hold trades. Nikiona trades inaenda, like I do not understand what is happening, or it's consolidating on a certain area so much without moving. That's when I usually close a trade. There's reasons I would need. Analysis of cup and handle, or what do you mean? I mean, namaanisha nawafunza analysis, tunafanya analysis na bado nawafunza cup and handle venye inatumika na venye inakaa kwa charts. So I'm teaching you on how a cup and handle looks like and how it is used in the market. And I think that's it. If that is what you're asking. Step 400, I'll look at it. You said about boom 1 that I've said I'm checking out it right now. So nataka kuonyesha boom 1000. So let's start. I think the group is upper to me. Those are a lot of people. So I said any analysis tunafanya, any analysis we're going to do. This is boom 1000 on monthly. Sijui kama mnaona vizuri. This is boom 1000 on a monthly basis. Like we originated from the lower side, the market went up. The first thing you do, wait a minute, let me share this. Share. Good. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw support. And I said that support and resistance. For me, the market is coming from the lower side, consolidated here. Yes. So some of us can put our support here, so that we can treat this market. This is a cap and handle. I don't know if now a lot of people will see it. I want to remove this one here from here. Heavy. This one. This is a cap and handle. The market is supposed to go the distance of the cap on the upper side. What am I doing? Ile ninakataa kuingia. Ngoja ni delete tu. Haya. Yeah. Okay. Fine. You're supposed to measure the distance of the cap. The market ilienda. The market imefika hata. And even if we treat it like, let's assume it was a bullish flag, like atuoni na huku chini, because you can't see anything on the lower side. Yeah? Let's assume you're using this one. Even we cover up his side, this one, the whole thing. Not calling it a cap and handle, right? We assume it was a bullish flag. We assume the market came from the lower side, went up, covered this distance. Look, our market is done. Our market was done with the buy. This is one of the reasons, and this is on monthly. I know a lot of people like, oh, but we are on daytime frame, that was why we are supposed to trade. On monthly, I can no longer see our market going past this position. Our market has gotten to the resistance. Like, it's done. This distance X is done on the upper side. And this is boom 1000. So I come back to weekly. I have something like this. And all I can see is like a market which want to form a double top. This is on weekly. A market seems to want to form a double top so that it can drop. So then I come back to, this is on weekly. On weekly, I'm not even drawing anything because I have, like, everything is already, I've drawn the resistance, the support and everything. And then even if I take a line, let me show you another thing. If I take a line from the lowest position, not even this position here, because sometimes you can take from here, you can combine the line. You take a line from this position up, going up like that. You can draw, hizi nazo zitakuwa lines mingi sana. Those will be a lot of lines on my chart and I don't want it. If I draw something like that, I saw this, and this is on weekly. And I was like, damn, this one look like a retest. Like, this is boom 1000, those who are asking. This is boom 1000. Oh no, if I draw a line here, 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 the market broke at this area. And this one seems to be like a retest. Remember, I said our market had a bullish flag, which was already done. So, in-market possibilities are buy, but only very minimal. Now, another reason why I told you guys to close boom 1000 was this. If you come to daytime frame, I draw my channel. Our market, this is how you draw a channel. Let me delete. Even if you draw this line like that, you can see, like, I don't know if you get it, like, sorry. Let me even first remove this line. I want to show you something. If I decide to draw how is it called? If I decide to draw a channel, our market is moving up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Our market is on the upper side. I want you to get this. This is how we draw a channel. Our market is moving up, down, up, down, up. When you take a channel from the platform, your market is usually like this. It has one line with one dot, and it has another one with 1, 2, 3 dots. It has 1, 2, 3 dots. The 3 dots do not go on the side which the market is forming. I repeat again, the 3 dots, you do not place them where the market is forming. You do not. You place them when your market high form. Like you do not place them where the market is forming. Let me show you. You take this there, because our market is forming on the upper side. And the 3 dots usually guide you on how to draw the channel. So you do not place them where the market is forming at the moment. And then you have this. Now I want you to notice something. Wait a minute. Let me draw it nicely. A channel. You do not. I can't draw the channel this side. The market is forming. I can't. I can't draw this side. The market. The 3 dots have to be where the market is not forming. I will show you more how to draw that channel, and then I pull it down. I touch the highest position you have from the upper side, and then I take this one. This one you can move it however you want, but it moves when you move. You move easy in a move, so easy. It's guided by these 3, so like that, and then you come to the top side. You touch this one. Now note here. We had broken the market on the upper side, but the market decided to come down. Very fishy. So I was like, oh, nah. We closed it. Tulifunga trade ikiwa huko. But it wasn't making sense because I expected them to do a retest here and then the market to continue to go up. So for me, boom 1000, I can't really tell. I can't tell, and I do not like going against the rules which I have. Yes, I can say a bullish flag. I know, right? But if I come to monthly, weekly, something is not right. Either this market want to form a double top, then it drop, because it's boom 1000 is supposed to have a long term sell, and a long term, and a long one, by the way. So I'll wait for them to I see how they behave along the area. I see how boom 1000 behave. For now, I won't advise anyone to trade because it's really misbehaving. This fake breakout will cost you a lot, because a lot of people had a buy along here when the market did a retest. Maybe a lot of people had a buy here. Now look, the kind of manipulation they live with. So a lot of people, I know, they will step up. I told you guys to talk here, but still, it's not making sense to me. Let me explain it up to there. It's not si watu wako job. Si hata sisi tuko job. Kwani forex ni nini? Si hata sisi tuko job. Ini job. Kuna msewe akimchana. Si watu wako job. Wanakujanga kuni watch jioni. Jioni nayo, nyinyi mkiwa, me, I do not usually have that time. Jioni I do not have that time ya kukuja ati ni naitangu aje ati nifunze. I'm usually very tired. So when you wako job watani watch free time yao. Juu mimi this is my free time. Yao free time yao ni jioni. So wataniona jioni. Mwenye nauliza. Me am working. Mwenye anasema job. Si David. Wataniona jioni. You see me. Ayaya. Share. Nataka kushare dashboard. Nataka kuonyesha cup and handle venye inakaa. Let me show you. Those who are working will come and watch later. Don't worry, David. You can log out. Literally, I usually have like 40 people here, but by jioni, my videos have like 3,000 people who have wamekuja waka watch. So, David, don't worry. Nitaacha video hapa. I'm not deleting it. See, delete at all. Nitaiacha hapa. Wenye wanakuja watakuja kuwatch. They'll come watch, so don't worry. I usually leave the job here because I know people who are working won't manage to watch me right now, but later they will, so don't worry. At night I can't do a live video. I'm usually very tired from the gym. I'm usually so tired. I can't do live video at night. Really, Forex is the job to some people. Ebu mwambie, it has been my full-time job for the last, saizi naelekea 8 years. I'm going to 8 years. That's why by then nikitrade venye mi utrade mtu aniulize, I've been in the game for 8 years. Me, I'm not usually even shocked by negatives. I'm like, fuck it. I'll get my money back. And that keeps me going in Forex. Because at the end of the day, no, Forex is not going anywhere. The market revolves, the whole world revolves under Forex. So, we're not going anywhere. So, good morning, Maggie. So, let's start. This is a cup and handle. Inakaanga hivi. Cup and handle. So, when a cup and handle look like this, kwa chart, I want to show you mpaka kwa chart, and then I will show you an inverted one, which crashed 300 head. No wonder ilianguka to this distance, Aya. To see you. Nataka kuna trade, nataka. Tulikuwa tuangalie crash, boom 1000 yenyewe iko na cup and handle. I want us to check all boom 1000 cup and handle. Let me remove this. Kidogo tu. I want to show you a cup and handle. Here, we have a perfect one. Do you? And they are very, no, their patterns, I insist, every day I'll be singing that song. Pattern is everything in Forex. Pattern is, you want to be a swing trader, you want to hold trades comfortably. Patterns are everything in Forex. So, this is what we have. I want you to check. This is a cup and handle. Let me remove it. This is a cup. From here. This is a cup. And this is a handle. This is how it looks on a chart. Beat again. This is a cup. This is the handle. Usually trade like this. This is a cup. And I repeat, this is the structure we have. I want to show the structure. This is the structure we have of a cup and handle. When the market breaks, because this one is supposed to give you a cup and handle, the cup and handle which is facing up, this one which is facing up, it should give you a buy. It should give you a what? A buy. This is a cup and handle. This is what we call cup and handle in Forex. Now, when it breaks the upper side, when it breaks the resistance, you are supposed to measure the distance of the cup from here up to here. You're supposed to measure distance. We call them distance X. You're supposed to measure the distance of the cup from here up to here. Okay? When we break the resistance, you're supposed to measure the distance of the cup. That's the distance the market will go on the upper side. When you measure the distance of the cup, right? After it does the retest, any market broken must be retested. You measure the distance of the cup. That is the distance the market will go on the upper side. That is where you place your TP. Your TP, you place it where? Kama itafika within 2 days, 3 days. I don't know how we preach this one. This is a cup and handle. When you find it looking up, it's supposed to give you a buy. An inverted one. I'll show you an inverted one. Let me show you both of them so that I can go to the chart. This is a cup and handle, a standing one, right? And another one which is inverted. An inverted cup and handle. The market looks down like this, and a handle there. And it has always like, kuna reason I'm not placing it kika hivi. There's a reason I'm not pulling the line. It has to be like, it had a resistance around here. It was like forming a support along this area. So a cup and handle. This is an inverted one. This is a standing one. This is supposed to give you a sell. This one will give you a buy. Note, this is supposed to give you a buy. This will give you a sell. And they are obeyed, guy. And I insist, these patterns I'm teaching you, they are very, very important. I repeat, they are very important. I have nothing to get. I've learned these things, and I want people to gain money. Forex is not hard. It's not hard at all. It's just 1, 2, 3 things you need to know, those tricks. So if I teach you how a cup and handle, I know a lot of people do not, they know how a cup and handle looks like, but they do not know how to use it. Okay? So this way, we have cup and handle. We're supposed to measure this distance of the cup is the market which is supposed to go. We had the same thing. Now we go to the chart. We had a cup and handle here. Cup, you see, and handle. This was our resistance. It was supposed to give us a buy. So we measure the distance of the cup. Measure the distance of the cup. Here. Measure the distance of the cup. We see if the market went that distance on the upper side. They did. And the more reason I'm saying I won't touch boom 1000 buy. Why? The market went to the distance of the cup. Do you? Higher, an inverted one. This is a market which is standing, right? This is a cup and handle which has given you a buy. I want to show you a cup and handle which will give you a sell. We had this. This is a cup and handle. Leave alone hata huko. Here. You see this area? An inverted one should give you a sell. This is an inverted cup and handle. Cup and a handle. To measure cup, yeah. This is why it's very easy for people. But they call it in swing trade. We do not. It's not rocket science. It's not magic. It's easy as ABCD behavior. An inverted one. An inverted cup and handle. And then when the market is done with the cup and handle, the market will retrace back up. So we have seen a cup and handle, a standing one, and an inverted one. And I insist, when the market, you measure the distance of the cup, that is exactly the distance the market will go. And when you come to measure, you have to measure even the wick. Like, you have to measure easy. You have to measure even the wick. This is what we call wicks in Forex. This is a body. The whole thing is called a candlestick. So, kwa candlestick yote, you have to measure even the wick. You have to make sure you touch this position and there. And then sell it. They go to a position. And then the crazy thing here, and you have to be very keen as a trader, our market has formed what? On the lower side. Our market has formed what? On the lower side. This is a morning star. This is engulfing. This is a spinning top. a morning star, engulfing. The market has formed reversal candlestick around here. And then another thing, if you're keen, this is a double bottom, meaning our market should go up. That's why I insist. Crash 300 will go up. Why? Because we have an inverted cup and handle, and the market is done with the cup and handle. Distant X of the cup and handle is that. I think the swing trade, actually, I think for swing trade, higher time frame is virtual. Okay, fine. It will depend on what you are checking on. But what usually happens with swing trade, you need a lot of patience. Hey, sometimes you just watch your trade EV. Just negative, and you're like, oh, okay. Day 1. Then you go day 2. And then by the end of the week, maybe next week, I can just leave this trade. By next week, if I decide to hold it, swing 0.50, which is the lowest lot, holding a crash 500 at that area, it's gonna pay 1,300. It's paying 1,130. It's paying 130. 1,300 USD. That is what it's paying if you hold only that rate for crash 300. Any question before I move to the next thing? So I've shown you. Anyone when nataka nimuonyeshe diagram, nataka kuchora, I go back to the diagram. Sorry. Go. I want to go back. So we have learned, huh? So cup and handle, if it breaks the market on the lower side, like that, you measure the distance of the cup, and I insist. Vitu ni ABCD. You have to know patterns. Akunanga option, distant X is the distance you are going to go on the lower side. Now, this is what we call a cup and handle in Forex. This is what we call a what? A cup and handle in Forex. Okay? Do I use unamaanisha Fibonacci ama can you enter plus 300 or it's too late? Hata ni kuanza inaanza. We are still here. Kumekwama kwa trade yetu. I've been holding it for days. This trade, I've been holding this trade for days. Iko tu kwa trade yangu hapa. Here. It's gonna go up. So it's not late. You can buy it right now. Yeah, it's at my trade zangu kwenye iko hapo. But just leave it. Don't overtrade it. Yes, Fibonacci. No, I do not. I find it quite unnecessary. It's good for some people, but I do not use it. To my side, I find it quite. I do not find it that. Patangi ikiwa that to depend on, but ni poor in big time frame. But I do not use it. I used to do it kitambo, but nowadays I don't. There's someone who has told me, can you check on step 400? Step 400, hata sishini kichora kitu. I think this step 400, let me look. I see a Quasimodo on 30 minutes. To may agree 30 minutes time frame. I do not encourage people trading below volatility below 3 hours, 4 hours kwenda na juu. Please, hizi nini zitafanya nini umess up, umess up big time, na like crash 600 hata tunaiangalia. Which time frame is this? Nikuonyeshe crash 600. So nionyeshe crash 600. Remember we had a bullish wedge. Unakumbuka ile wedge? Na tumeingia hii trade mara 3. Acha nionyeshe. Hii trade tumeingia mara 3. Tuliingililia hapa, tukaingia tena hapa, na tena nikapeana hapa. We have a wedge. The time frame I'm using 6 hours. You see how clean it is? Watch at 30 minutes. Ona 2 hours. Is only 1 hour. Like the way that market is, Oh, unasema hapa hii ni yenyewe 30 minutes umeona kwa zimo. Oh, I get Kenya unamaanisha. But darling, okay. Oh, I get Kenya unafikiri. Oh, Kenya umesema. Oh, umeiona. But sasa babes, let me explain. Kuna msee ameandika inform Quasimoto in 30 minutes of time frame kwa crash 600. Ndio hii. Okay, inakaa Quasimoto. Okay, ni Quasimoto si hata inakaa. But hiyo ni 30 minutes. And there is a reason I do not like touching that time frame. Kwa sababu kwa 6 hours. Sorry. Kwa 6 hours na 8 hours. Wacha nionyeshe. Kwanza kwa 8 hours we had a cup and handle. Wacha nionyeshe. Hii ni 12 hours. We had a cup and handle. Darling, we have this. We have a cup and handle. Resistance yetu ndio hii. Zika utaona vizuri. We have a cup and handle. Let me try to. So, good. We have this. We have a cup and the combination and handle. The market broke the resistance. Hapa, the market broke. If we measure the distance of the cup, that's why I do not use lower time frame. You can never see me looking at 30 minutes. I have a spirit of confusion. But the distance of the cup is here. Measure the distance of the cup. Tumesema it's supposed to go that distance. Is it not the same distance we had a bullish wedge? Because we are on the same market, we had a bullish wedge. And this is on 12 hours time frame. Msese anza kusema sijui tuna trade. This is on 12 hours time frame. The same bullish, we had a wedge, bullish wedge. It's coming the same position where our cup and handle was. So as much as I want to say yes, on 30 minutes you can see that Quasimoto, it won't be applied. Why? The bigger time frame are dictating otherwise. And I said this, smaller time frame come to fulfill the wish of bigger time frame. That's why you see me analyzing market from monthly, weekly, day, 8 hours, 12 hours, 8 hours, 6 hours, 4 hours, 3 hours, going up. Why? Because bigger time frame, small time frame come to fulfill the wish of. As much as you have seen that Quasimoto, it won't be used. Why? Our market has a bullish flag, a bullish wedge, which we have seen, and still our market had a cup and handle, which is standing, which is supposed to give us a buy. That's why I gave a trade here, and then I gave another trade here. And that trade, it will pay you how much? Our 3 trades only, those one. You take, how many days are those 3 days? Let me see how much it will pay. I hope it's gonna get up to $1,000 and something. I like making like $1,000 and something. Ever. This one will pay, our first trade which we had will pay 50 USD. Our second trade will pay 35. That's okay. And the other one will pay 27. That is like, if you took those trades, the 3 of them, with me, you're gonna make 1,000 USD. How many days are those? Those are like 3 days. No, we are on date. No, we are on the. To go the what? Landio. Oh, we are on day 3. Yes, we are on day 3. And then within maybe by today or tomorrow, it's gonna pay you $1,000. $1,000 is about Kenyan how much? 130K. And that's hiyo ni mshahara ya mtu, no taxation. Who is taxing you unless peleke utoe za forex and upatie government. Hakuna mtu anakata pesa zako. But either way, tuendelee. Where was I before nipotee? What if it form a double top on 8 hours? Haya, rispa wacha niwaeleze kitu. Let me explain something. And I think let me explain something. A double top with 8 hours, it will depend. See, that is a reverse. Which pair are you asking? Because nimepotea. And then another thing, you have to look at the trend of the market. Is our market buying or is our market selling? Mostly when you're trading this bullish flag, bearish flag, bullish wedge, and so on and so forth. You have to make sure you know the time frame. No. The trend. the trend. Like if you look at Crash 600 on the serious note, if you check on Crash 600 Menyeko, what is the trend of our market? The trend of our market is a buy. Our market has been buying. So it forming a wedge there, meaning it's going to go up. Leave alone at form 8 hours. I know this one, let me tell you, I understand Kenya Nauliza. I know here up, it will look like it has formed a double top. This is a lie. This is just to get people to sell. But that market won't sell. It won't sell on that position. Why? It's not on sell. It has a wedge. We have a wedge. It even did a retest. So that market is a sure buy. It's a complete sure buy. And as much as you see here and here, since it will be like a double top, it won't work like a double top. The market will go up as a buy because the trend. And I repeat again, our trend for the market is a buy. Our market has been on buy. It has been buying for so long. So it's in the midst of buying, inaenda ikiform patterns. It's forming patterns to just move up to a certain position. Because when the market of Crash 600 is done with distant X, it's going to drop. And it will drop big time. And let me show you something. You have just reminded me. Let me show you something. Because leave alone that one we are watching, I want to explain why I do not trust. Let me show you something with Crash 600. We had this. Do you know we had a bullish? We had this. I don't know if a lot of people will say it. When the market originated, the market went up, we had this. I don't know if it's, let me make it visible. We had a wedge. Our market originated on the lower side, got into this area, moved up, down. So in the real sense, our market has never gotten done with this. See that one? We measure there. This was a bigger bullish wedge we had. Let's see if market ishaifika. Oh no. Yes. No, touching these things zinanileteanga tu. Ona. I want to show you something. Ona. Market yetu haijaibaliza hii bullish wedge. Leave alone ataka kadogo. This is just tipping of the ice. This was the big. The market was supposed to. And if you check, it's the same position. You see, this one, it's the same position. Like our wedge, where our wedge is supposed to get to, and where our big wedge was supposed to get to, is the same distance. It's now respect. I don't know. Now you get it. The market move systematic. It has a way of moving. That's why I usually say the market moves in terms of waves, and those waves goes and form patterns. Those waves, they go ahead and they form patterns. Even if you see the market going up, there's a position where it's gonna take a pause. It will take a pause. So it will always give you a pattern and always be keen. What is the trend of this market? Now, there's someone who are asking me, can one hold? Yes, you can. B25, B50, okay. What is a double top? Nimejibu. Can I enter? I think nimejibu. I do not want to go. How much do you recommend for a beginner? A beginner is for what? Learn for. I insist for beginners. Learning first. It will give you courage. Trading ukiwa umetense, it's usually quite a hectic because you do not know what you're doing. And you do not have any assurity if you're going to even withdraw that money you have. So, learn first. Kwa any beginner, I recommend learning. For any beginner, when you ameniuliza stories za Crash 300, I'll hold my trade. That there I will risk it. I'll hold my trade for crash 300 nicely. Kama mbaya. Me I'll hold it for my own facts. And you're done with distant X. And then market ikashuka, and then it has a double bottom. I'll hold my buy for crash 300, and that's it. I think I've explained. Step 400. This hata hiyo I'm not kuna mse alikuwa ameniuliza stories za EURUSD. EURUSD for the longest time I have said it will sell. For me it's on a long term sell. EURUSD, but I will explain that one in a few. Right? Step 400 before even I continue. Hata story vitu mingi. This pair is new. Tumetoka side ya juu. This is step 400. Our market originated. It's very new, very new. This is on daytime frame. Our market originated on the lower side, dropped. What is this RISPA? Hii pattern ni gani imeonyesha? Hii. This is a bearish flag. So the best thing to do, we wait for this market to move out of this consolidation. Because our market originated from the trend again. What did our market originate from? On the upper side, former. And I repeat again, wacha sasa nirudie kuchora channel. For the last time, I want to show you guys how to draw a channel. Betty Maina, umako. See, you will rewatch the video. I can't repeat all that explaining ya nini. Yeah, boom, you will start the video, utaiona masi. Becky, you will watch the video from beginning. Because I have done a lot of explaining ya nini. Yeah. Inaitangwa aje? I've done a lot of explaining of Boom 1000. Now, this is what I want to explain. Our market originated from the higher side. You have seen something like this because people will be like, now what am I going to draw on this? This is how we do. You see this level is down, this level is up, this level is up. Automatically as a trader, you know. That one can fit a nice trend line or a channel. Now, our market is going up, down, up, down, up, down. It's on the upper side. It's on this side. So my 3 dots, I'm going to place them on the lower side. Like that. And then I place this one on the upper side of the market. Upper side means hapa nakuja naguza hapa. We have a bearish flag. This is a bearish flag. And I've said our market is forming on the upper side, so our 3 dots will be placed where the market is not forming. Our 1 dot in the one which is placed where the market is forming. You see, we have a bearish flag. For now, we wait. It's consolidating. Do not touch this trade. Do not sell it just because unaona. Because this is something else which happens. The market can do this and then break the upper side and go up. So for this trade, I'll wait for it to decide on the direction it's gonna take. But mostly it has originated on the upper side, it's gonna drop. But we wait for them to break this channel. So that you do what? You measure the distance of the flag like that. Is the distance the market is going to drop like that. Bearish flag. RISPA, can you see it? 12 hours, point blank, it's visible. That is the analysis for. Not too much work. We wait for it to break there and then don't touch it. I usually view. You analyze the market and then that's it. We go to the other trade. Wait, I need to open there's someone who asked me for EURUSD, right? Yes. And how can go out Forex? So that I can explain the rest. So this is don't forget, this is a cup and handle. It's as easy as ABCD. The more you are used to, I'm waiting for Nini to open, Forex to open here. I told you guys, charts ni kila kitu. Charts ni kila kitu. Charts are everything in this market. chart. And again, I preach again and again and again and again. Charts are everything in this market. Again, charts are everything in this market. You have to know every chart. Because if you do not know how charts are, you won't be able to trade. Yes. You won't be able to predict where the market will, where you should place your trade and your exit. So the charts give you where you should place your entry. It gives you an entry and it gives you an entry. It gives you an entry and an exit. And that is the most important thing for any trader. You know where you should get in your trade and where you should exit your trade. All right? So let me see. Oh, gold is dropping. Damn. Kwanza, where was I? Fuck niko hapa. Wait, gold ilienda hivi juu. Wait, I show you guys. Juu mnasemanga mimi uko nimechizi. Si watu udhaningi mimi uchizi. I want to show you something. Na gold. Whoa, let me show you something. So I said this and I said this yesterday. Look at what gold did. This is on 4 hours. Si tulikuwa tumesema tunafika wapi? Oh my. Nitashinda nimehamisha hiki kitu but msijali. Gold it has. Oh shit, I missed out. Nilikuwa nataka hizi. Nilikuwa na chill hizi spikes. Niekele trades huku. I was waiting for them to break his zone. I look for an entry hapa. But kitu nitawaambia, our market, our distant X was supposed to end here. It was supposed to do what? To end here. Our trade, they didn't break your level na body. Body zake zote ziko chini. And they did this yesterday. I knew market movers will do this. We step out. I think tulifunga trade. We closed our trade here. But wow, that is a lot of money. Damn. Anyway, they went up and then dropped. Maybe a lot of people are placing a lot of sales around here. But I won't recommend a sell for now. But you see, that is on 1 hour. Let's go to 4 hours. You see, 4 hours, they haven't broken that area. Wako tu. We wait for gold to behave along that area. We see how it behaves. I won't touch it at all. I won't touch it for now. Because it's risky. It's risky. And let me tell you why it's risky. Can I explain something else? Let me show you why I won't take gold there. Let me show you. Kidogo tu. Kwa sababu I had two setups za gold. 2. 1 ni hii. Wedge. Can you see this bullish wedge? We originated from the lower side. Our market came to. We had a wedge. Although I never trusted it at first, so I used the flag. But either way, they were giving me almost the same result. Measure the distance of the wedge. That's the same distance the market should cover. I think it did. I was even a bit. Oh shit. It fits very well. Yo, okay, siko nimeona. The wedge fit very nicely. Damn. Okay. The distance of the wedge fit very nicely. So meaning the market should drop. But your trader, and then we were left with this reversal candlestick. This is called a spinning top. This candlestick is a reversal candlestick. It's called a spinning top. And then it has a bearish engulfing. These two candlesticks combined, they are called bearish engulfing. The green one and the big red. Because it has covered the green one. It has engulfed it. So we call it a bearish engulfing. It's a reversal candlestick. It's, oh shit. What have I done? It's a reversal candlestick. Whatever else have I not? Is it late to do an entry on Crash 600? Crash 600 ukiingia na loss ya 0.20 No, it's not. It's not late to get into Clash 600. It's not. You can buy it when you go. It's not. Especially right now, like we have started a candlestick for 6 hours. Yes, you can buy Clash 600. Whoa, my laptop imezima. So naangalia size, my laptop is off. Nilisahau kucharge. Let's wait for it to resume. Now I will look for, you have said Euro USD. So it's as easy as ABC. That sorry. That's why you see me insisting on patterns. Sijui ama ni mimi nimezoea kukaa na wasi make it in forex. This old guy is a friend of that guy, has really trained me to be very humble in forex. He makes it big na hapendangi kujulikana anafanya forex. He doesn't hapendi kujulikana anafanya forex. He has big things going, but hata ukiona mpaka gari yenye ana drive msako na do. A very simple car, living a very simple life. His office, la nyumba iko na, and I need something. That one I am going to take his idea. He has although me I like just like laptops too. I really like just having my laptop there, but I like his idea. There's a reason he was explaining me why, as much as I love my laptop, I should have a display like that one of and I was like, that's a brilliant idea. And he was like, you're gonna do this, you're gonna place this one here. And he amenizoesha by the way trade gold. Tangu tuanze kukua, since we started being friends, he started telling me to trade gold. Like I focus on gold so much, and I'm so grateful to him. He's like, you're really good at trading, but not trade everything. Yes, I know you can trade your USD, pound, and everything. You can know where they're going, but can you divert all that attention to gold? And I was like, okay. He told me, do not leave the other pairs, be checking on them, but gold is the only pair you should be placing a buy on us. And I swear it has been the best thing I did. But it's quite tough at the end of the day. Hi dear, how can I reach you? I'm requesting a face-to-face conversation with you for a tutorial for a few. Ni text kwa hii number. Yeah, I'm really getting a lot of requests for classes, but I do not. The only way I'm in Tarudi classes, not in a bad way. Although I will continue even doing the video here, I want to do physical classes. I just want to do physical classes. I go teach people and then I'm done. Zoom sidhani right now I will be able to do because I'm getting a lot of requests for class, and I told people to wait. I look for an office. I do not want to meet people in hotels or funny places. Wait for me to get an office. I get the documentation. There's a few things for documentation. For those who want, I have like 6 people asking me for class right now. I get the main documentations I need to run the office, and then at a location yenyewe kwanza inaniletea shida. I can't find something big like I used to have. I can't find a big office like I used. The one I used to have was big, nice. Office was beautiful. That office was big, very very big. I can't find exactly something like that right now. Ngumu. So nataka kuangalia Euro USD. My laptop ilikuwa imezima. Nataka kuangalia Euro USD. Sijui niko tempted ya kuuza gold, but naona yani nitauza mapema. Euro USD iko sale. Hey, for the million time. Mimi sijui nitapreach song mara ngapi. And I will do this analysis very simple and very fast. Za Euro USD GPY. Haya, tadadahani. Naonyesha za Euro USD, and I'm going to do it very easily and very fast on Euro USD right now Kwa sababu EURUSD, I said this and I will preach this once again, we are on a sell. EURUSD will sell. So, good. This is EURUSD monthly. Our chart look like this one. This is EURUSD monthly. Chart yetu inakaa hivyo. So, support, resistant, I do not really think I need them. So, kwa sababu it's monthly, I will concentrate on around here. Because this is 1 month, another month, another month, another month, another month. This is like 2 years. So, this was Jan. You're on Feb. The candlestick forming right now is Feb. The green one. It's Feb, right? So, on this one, I'm going to draw. Yeah. First thing first, come a trader. If I draw a line here, a resistance here, a resistance there, and this is on monthly candlestick. What do I have here and here? I have a double top. Oh, shit. I have a double top. So, when I thought about double top, I said when the market breaks the neckline is here. When the market breaks the neckline, the market does a retest. So, and this is because this is a double top. Our double top originated from there. Where? Our double top originated from here. So this market should come up to here. That aside, that is one thing EURUSD is going to sell. That is one of the things. 2, which made me say EURUSD will sell. Let me draw a line here. To the water, we do not wait for tinini. We have this. This is on monthly candlestick. I'm in EURUSD on monthly candlestick. What do you see? Already, even if I put a chart like this, I know someone can see something. The person who asked me this question, what can you see hapa? Kuna VIP inaanzia date 15. Nimesahau ku announce. Goja. Market yetu imetoka side ya juu. Hii niliwafunza juzi. What is this, darlings? What is this? This is a bearish what? Patterns. This is a bearish flag. Wedge. This is a bearish wedge. We go to weekly. You see? Market ilifanya nini? Market ili break. Ikafanya retest. The market is supposed to drop. Now, because we can see a bearish, I think that right now it's even perfect. You see? You measure the distance of our bearish flag. Our bearish wedge, because we originated on the upper side, our market ikakuja, ikaform wedge. So we measure the distance of the, this is how we hold trades. And then from there, our market is supposed to drop up to here. Now, that is the second reason. That is a what? That is the second reason. And this is the second reason. The first one we found it has a double top. You can see a double top here and here. See? So our market is supposed to drop. Now, and still, our market ilifanya nini? It break neckline. Hapa. EURUSD will sell. Nothing much. The trend from the word go, monthly, weekly. Even if we come to daytime flame, wajani wambie, daytime flame hata ilikuwa rahisi. Daytime flame we had a pattern. Mlijua hivyo? Daytime flame ilikuwa na pattern. Daytime flame had a head and shoulder imesimama. Now we are coming from one pattern to another pattern. Ndio sisi hawa. Tumeshuka, market imerudi hapa. Mtumerevu wa forex, and this is on daytime frame. We had a double, not a double top, we had a head and shoulder. Iyo. Shoulder, head. Hii market inafai kuja hapa. If you break, ishuke kabisa. This is on daytime frame. Let's go to 4 hours. And that market has a lot of, nitangu aje. Sorry. Ni wapi nimefinya. Hours hatuna head and shoulder. We do not have it. Mbona kwanza gaps za soko. In 4 hours hatuna. Kwa day tuko na head and shoulder. Kwa day tuko na hii head and shoulder aka kadogo. shoulder, head. So ni venye decide, if you decide to trade when it breaks here, you're gonna wait for the day candlestick to break so that you can sell. Because our pattern here, the head and shoulder is formed. You see, we can see the head and shoulder nicely. No, not even let me touch it up. We can see head, shoulder, head. This is the last shoulder. For it to break here, we have to trade it with, we will trade it with what? We trade it with the daytime frame. Why? If we come to 4 hours, let me show you. We come to 4 hours. This area is violated. So 4 hours doesn't have a double top. Not a double top, a head and shoulder. 4 hours doesn't have the head and shoulder. So our head and shoulder for EURUSD was formed by daytime frame. For it to break the support, because we have said EURUSD is on a sell mission, yeah. It's supposed to break with daytime frame. If you decide to trade, because the head and shoulder is almost done, yeah? You can see that it's already done. Let me show you another. Let me show you something. Pound GPY. Pound GPY, there's someone who asked me before niende. Pound GPY is a sell. Why? Pound GPY ukiangalia hapa juu. Pana gojea. Wait, hapana. Anza nionyeshe. Na treat pound GPY ka bearish. Ona. Tumetoka side ya juu imeform hivi. And then this on weekly, on daytime frame, it look like this. Pound GPY for me it's a sell. On this, then I'm gonna measure here. This is on daytime frame. Pound GPY has something like that. Not yet sure, but na goja. Shiro kuna hedges. Feb kuna VIP. Na nimesema VIP naanzia date 30. USD GPY, USD GPY, USD GPY, USD GPY. This one had a pattern. Mnakumbuka nikikuja kuwafunza hii pattern? Hii. Juzi hii. Hii side iko chini, hii side iko juu. Zinakuanga ka double top. Even the first TP ya USD GPY inafaa kuwa hapa. Hapa. Because hii inakuanga ka double top. The only issue is, the only difference between this one and a double top ni this side is down, this one is up. This one is up. Zinaitangwa sijui nebuni I will look for hiyo jina. Inakaanga hivi. Let me take on. Ebu acha nionyeshe hapa. I want to show you something. This one, it has this pattern. And it's a reversal pattern, no? Inakaanga double top, but si double top. And inatumikanga sana. Ukaipata hii side iko chini. Hii side iko juu. The first area of interest ya any trader ni hapa kwa neckline, which is here. We go up, down, up. This market should come up to here. That is a sure. The GPY should come up to here because of this pattern. This is up, this is down, and it behaves like a double top. It has it applies the same rules. It applies the same rules as a double top. And yenye iko na side ya chini, we have 1 minute. I go to crash 300. This one is on the resistance part, giving a reversal from buy to sell, right? Buy to sell. So hii ingine ya nionyeshe hata derivative iko nayo imeiform hii. Unaona hii side iko juu, hii side iko chini. Hii diversion, the market should go up. Tunaitanga pardon me. Let me go look for exact. Last time I promised the same thing, nikasahau. Wacha nitaangalia. I'll check the name of that. But Hot Crush 3, mimi even if you Hot Crush 300, you say 0.50, right? 0.50. Crush 300 will go up. I insist. Why? We are done with the cup and handle. We have measured it. It has gone distant X on the lower side. The market is supposed to go back up distant X. If you hold Crush 300 and 0.50, but Crush 300 is crazy. You have to have good capital. At 200 USD, with Crush 300, it can be cut very fast, but I don't think the position we are, it can do that. Crush 300, this one, if you buy it back up, it's paying around 130 USD. That money you won't have made it in your account. Yeah. So hold, I'm late. Euro USD, I've already discussed Euro USD, darling. Aki when you wanakuja tu saizi, please, utabidi tu mmewatchingi video, because I can't keep repeating myself over and over again. Now the same thing, you see what I told you yesterday. Amnisikizange. I may seem to be like, I do not say a lot, but be listening to me. Let me show you something. Remember ile tulifanya jana? You remember jana I taught you what? I taught you Quasimoto. And I said Quasimoto, let me uone nikushuka tu bado inashuka. I gave this trade. Na by the way hope wase bado wana hold this trade. I wish hatukutoka. Last time tulikuwa na entry hapa. Ona kwenye tulikuwa na entry hata singeitoka. We had entry here. Tukakuja tukaingililia tena hapa. Unaona bado inasumbua. Nilisema hii ni Quasimoto. This is what we did yesterday. We learned shoulder here, and I said this market should drop the distance of Quasimoto. And when we are done with Quasimoto, let me tell you, when you're done with this distance, the market is going to go back up. When you're done with this distance for Quasimoto here, the market will go back up. So you can eat it dropping up to here, and when the market get up to here, it's gonna go up. So this is the distance of the Quasimoto. This is what I was teaching you yesterday. And we are still dropping. You have to come up to here. And it's a short trade. This one is a short trade. Which other trade am I supposed to check on? I think that. Crush 300, I insist. And another reason why I'm insisting, you buy Crush 300 is this. If you touch the highest position of the market, to a second position, look. Market ilikuja ika break. We have a double bottom. An engulfing, everything. US 300. Gold is dropping. Yes, tushamaliza distant X, darling. So, mimi nashindwa niingie. I'm tempted kuingia. But the issue with kuingia hapo, I have to be mentally ready to hold a negative. Just in case that market misbehave. Na nitaiuza tena na lot ya 8. I'm selling it again with a lot of 8. Again, or I get up to 10 because my capital is quite very good right now. After zile iligonga TP, so na ingia na lot kubwa. I wanted to go. Nimemiss opportunity ya kuingia huko hivyo juu venye ilikuwa spike, but could have been nice. But is that? I think that's it for today. The rest of the knowledge I'm gonna explain later. You didn't finish explaining on a pattern of. You didn't finish explain pattern that looks alike na double top. Ikifika kwa shoulder. Si shoulder. Ikifika kwa neckline. It's ikifika that position we call it a neckline. You wait for it. In a rules kama tu za double top, Now, unajua ikikuja hii ni USD GPY, right? So ikikuja hapa, you wait for it either it breaks side ya chini ama you be careful isiform head and shoulder. Juu inaweza fika hapa iform head and shoulder hivi. You wait for it to break the neckline hapa. If it doesn't break the neckline, achana nayo kwa sababu inaweza form head and shoulder. It can do this, or ikibreak side ya chini. Naona hii ni double top. Nimesema ina behaving ka double top. Ikibreak side ya chini itashuka kwenye huyu alitoka. Acha tuone kidogo, turudi kwa forex. Itarudi hadi hapa, darling. Itarudi hadi hapa. And then kitu ingine kwa mjanja, acha nikuonyeshe. Hii market imetoka side ya juu, inaform side ya chini, acha tuchore channel. Market yetu inaform side ya chini, so dots za tatu zinaenda side ya juu. 1, 2, 3, they're going on the upper side. This one going on the lower side. You see the reason why ija break hapa ni juu ya hivi. So if that market ikibreak hii, wacha hata tutreat hii hivi, USD JPY. This is USD JPY, right? To goje USD JPY, darling, ibreak hapa. Juu imetoka side ya juu, hii ni bullish flag. Ni venye isifike hapa ika hivi. No, hivyo. So, na imetoka side ya juu. Ikakuja ikaform hii. Ona, imetoka side ya juu ikakuja ikaform hii. We wait for it to break. Wait for it to break here. Na ukiangalia hapo ikibreak hiyo, angalia. Nimeambia narudi kwenye ilitoka. Ikikuja hata ibreak hii neckline. The best thing ni ugoje hata ibreak hiyo neckline hapo. Wakikuja break hapo watakuja hapa, and then this is a bearish flag. Everything in forex is patterns. Kuna msee ananiambia US30, ebule me is crash 600 on sell. No, it's on buy. It is on buy. It is on buy. It's on buy. It's on buy. It's on buy. Natafuta from say please do USD card. Kwani uko na trade ya USD card? Do you have a trade for USD card? Answer me yes or no. Do you have a trade for USD card? Me even without kuangalia USD card. Kana naona card chef tuko buy, USD card tuko sell. I can see card chef we are on buy. I haven't checked on card USD card yenyewe natafuta chart. But if I can see card chef on buy, USD card will be on sell. USD card will be on sell. Iko wapi USD card? Sina chart. I don't new chart. If I already see card chef on buy, that automatically USD card is on sell. That is very automatic. USD card is on sell. Without hata kushinda sijafungua nini saizi, ni wenyewe nafungua, ndio saizi nafungua chart ya USD card. Na kama naona hivi, huyu ako hivi, card chef ako buy, USD card ndiye nachukua saizi. Huyu USD card has to be on sell. And I knew it. Look. Now wait. Acha tufanye analysis, nikuambia kwenye tunaelekea. Damn. This is a monthly. USD card inakaa hivyo. Very interesting. And kidogo niangalie na hapa chini naona kai market, acha nione kai ilikuwa na double bottom. Hii market ilikuwa na double bottom hapa chini. USD card, this is on monthly na originate hapa. Hatujaifika hapa. We have never gotten to that position, back to that position. You see, monthly, it hit a double bottom. You have never gotten up to that position. We have this. Quite very interesting. And this is very intriguing. Because why will the market open on this side and then anza kushoka? Hey, with a gap. This is above chill. Weekly. Hivyo. Ona. D. Darling, I can't really tell. Let me agree, I can't really tell where USD card is going, but let me check on the mother currency. One, this is how I solve my problems. If I can't really tell where USD card is going, I'm gonna look at the mother currency. And the currency of card pairs. Yo, wewe, excuse, mnaweza niondokea, niko na meeting. Mtoto, unaweza mtoa hapo mwende hiyo bacon yenu ya juu. Niko na class hapa, and then venye na shout I'm having a meeting here. Please. Tafuta pesa na nguvu hivi akini. Nasikia mtoto tu anasema nduru, na shangaa. What's going on? One minute, nataka kuangalia, nataka muone kitu. And I just want to show you something. Uniambie kaa hizi si pia mbili. Haya. USD chef. Hii ni card chef. Yes, card chef. Ona card chef. Imetoka side ya juu. Imekuja ika consolidate kwa hii. Haya. USD card. Toka zikalishane. Imetoka side ya chini. Imekuja ika consolidate juu ya hiyo. The same thing, almost the same thing we have kwa huyo. I'm not so sure. That market has a lot of consolidation. I can't really tell. Ati US 300 naona double top na hold head and shoulder. Do I need glasses ama na nimeona vitu zangu. Ile video imekuwa mrefu. Umesema US what? Zinakuanga kwa US 30. Okay. Let me look for you right now. Nataka kwenda, hii video imekuwa mrefu sana. Hiyo ni double. Hata before mimi nichore. Basi. Atiamia huko kwetu kwa wiki. Nataka kuhamia kwangu. Mimi this is the last place na rent. This is the last place I'm renting. I want to build my own place. I came from my bed sitter. I stayed in my bed. Nimekaa house mbili. Bed sitter yenye nilikuwa naishi. And then I looked for this house. I love this house. It's huge. Accommodating. I'm the only one who doesn't have a family here. Nakaanga na watu wa family. Very, very quiet. Ni very hard hata upate makelele. I think ni juu ya huyo mtu hii katu kadogo kaniba. Mwingine alikuja huku juu. Madam. Mwenye ameniuliza US. Uko na niambie hiyo trade uko na sell. Juu hata hakuna haja nishinde nikifanya. Si ndio hii? Sorry. Ndio hii. On nini nakaa hivyo? And then kidogo. Is it a bullish wedge? It originated from the lower side and something which looks like a cup and handle hapa. Hii nakaa kwanza hata ilikuwa hii. Bacha let tumesha kali maliza. Wacha tu deal na hii yenye tuko nayo saa hizi. Distance X. Let's say if they are done with distance X. They are. So if you're holding a sell, I think you're safe. Hivi. Yes, that one, sell that shit. Uza, hold, take profit, chukulia huku kwenye body iko. Usikai chukulia take profit hapa, chukulianga take profit hapa. Kwenye body ziko. Unaona kwenye body, the way the market got the body, because exactly the market has to touch where the body touch. Sell it there. This is US 30. USD 30. Yes. You're right. You're right. You're very, very right. It doesn't even have one double top. It has triple top. Can I show you? Let me show you. This is the first top. Top yetu ya kwanza. This is the neckline. Then it has a double top. A double top ingine hapa. Can you see another double top here? This market is supposed to come up to here. Supposed to come up to 41, 87, 3.25. This is a double top. Our market is supposed to come up to the neckline. Thank you for giving me a trade. Nani amenipea your trade? Gold staki kuguza. Ama niguze before nijue gold. Gold inataka kuenda wapi? Nianze na nota. Nimekaa 2 hours. Hiyo uza. Iko sure. That one I've confirmed because you're already done with distant X. Naanda unaonanga na anzianga monthly. You're already done with distant X. Our market imeform double top. Yes. US 300. I totally agree 100%. Yes, it will sell. And another thing, kidogo, nikwambia kwa nini I insist your sell yako iko right hapa. Na also ukiguzisha line hapa na hapa. Hii market unafaa kukuja hapa. So even here, because we had this double top na hapa double top so ukiguzisha line kutoka hapa neckline hapa ime break na ikafanya mpaka retest za 24 hours kwanza hiyo ni day ikafanya mpaka retest. That market should sell. Yes, yako inafaa iuze. Should sell. You can see even tiaza angalia hiyo double top venye sasa 4 hours inaionyeshana vizuri. Uza hiyo kitu. Sell it. It's a sure trade. It's a sure sell, yes. It will sell. It will sell from 44 up to 41. So yes, it's a sure sell. And I think that's it for now. VIP is leo ni date. Nita announce leo. Shit. Nita announce leo. Tuende au trade on sijui ni trade account ya 200 USD mimi ama 150. I think hiyo ndio nitaweka account ya 200 USD. Ya volatility nikirudi VIP nitarudi na account ya 200. Account yenye nitadeposit account ya 200 USD. Gold nipeeni Deriv, sijai enda kuangalia US 30 kama iko deliver and I do not know venye wanaita deliver. Nitafanya mpaka niangalia. Hope mwenye niliambia buy crash nini alibaya crash 600 buy it crash 600 is a sure trade. Ukiona hizo trades hizo 2 uta make $2,000. Good. Kugojea tu. I know kugojea in crazy na forex na watu wapenangi kuona red. I don't know why, but it's part of the game. Always remember, holding a negative, it's part of the game. Kaa kuhold to profit. Me, I'm usually even way scared. Let time yangu trades zangu ziko blue. Kama kuanga tu in jeopardy. Nikiwa na negative, I'm patient. Hata hii nikiwa na blues, mimi kwanza za gold, nilikuwa napandanisha na hiyo. Inaita maje? I was locking those trades very fast. Because you see me, I'm playing with a lot of 8 ningeitana. If that trade ever went against yo, but I was so sure. I was like, damn sure this market has to go up to that position. So mwenye anataka kwanza trade itawalipa vizuri crash 600. Kulieni hiyo trade bana. Msikose kukulia hiyo trade. Hiyo crash 600. I think I'm done. Binary sijui kama wanakuanga na nini. Sioni nini zao za forex. So I do not know waki. Labda uende uangalie. Si wana platform. I think wana platform ya wana platform ya forex, yes, but issue ni new chart. Nikiingia kwa forex wamenipa Euro USD, nikienda kwa viewers symbols nione kama derivative indices bracket kwa kuna nakuanga kwa indices. Naona hyper index. Hizi ni nini? Ati crash 7 volume over. Hizi ni nini? Sijaiona. Ati volume over crash 750. Volume over boom 400. These are new. Naangalia ni derivative vitu imeongezea. Ona metals ni gold ziko. Major pairs ziko, forex iko kwa nini? Issue ni I do not think wako na nini. Ona vitu naona sijaiona hizo. Sinaona hata they are not nini. Sijaiona hizo indices. Sidhani nini darling tuko na ati step index 5 step. Hizo vitu ni za lini? I do not think derivative wako na nini. Indices, index. Nani? Sida hawana. They don't have, I can't find them there. They have metals, yes, they have gold na nini na Euro USD, but hizi zingine hata naona iko mpaka na BTC. Kuna mse mpaka juzi nilipea the sometime pay hizo over volume of. I do not know, nimeziona saa hizi. I hope maybe unaniambia I check, nitacheck, but I haven't nini. Wacheni niende. Hii class imekuwa mrefu sana. Ni saa ngapi? Yeah, it's my sleeping time bana. Let me go sleep. We're gonna talk later to boom 500 kwaje. I have no idea. Boom 500 gujeni kwanza sijaielewa bado na sitaki kuiongelea saa hizi. Nimeiona naifuata na sielewi. Can Andrew Thiongo by boom 500 inanikula kichwa. Kuna venye sielewi. Na walimaliza setup yangu and then wakaenda setup nyingine, so I'm not fully like sielewi kama tunafaa to buy ama tunafaa to sell completely. Sina idea, but sina idea. Nilikuwa nimeiangalia, that's why venye tu umeitaja I just hakuna haja hata nifungue jua, hakuna any conclusive. Acha uone kenye nilikuwa nayo. Na wakamaliza. Let me answer kidogo. Ibu kenye tumesoma leo. Kenye tumesoma leo. Naweza waonyesha kenye tumesoma leo. Ngojeni nionyeshe na boom. Cup and handle. Wacheni nionyeshe. Ilikuanga hivi. Ilikuwa I want to show you cup and handle ya we had a cup una hivi and handle hapa. Hii market ilikuwa inafaa iende distance ya cup side ya juu. Ilikuwa iende distance ya cup side ya juu. They did go, walienda. Ilikuwa hapo. Ilikuwa ya monthly. Why am I not getting it right? Ebu kidogo tu. Ilikuwa hapo. Pana. Ilikuwa hii. No. It was this one. I'm not so sure. Hii trade inanipea nini? Siku sure. Then another thing venye tu niliwaambia. Iko sell kwangu, iko sell juu ya hivi. Wala ni repeat tu kenye nilisema. Unaona hii side iko chini, hii side iko juu. Hii market inakuja kwa neckline hapa. I think nimeongelelea hii kitu. Hii side iko chini, iko juu. Hii market inakuja hapa kwa neckline. Let me leave it at that. Hapana, sita ina. What time do you trade? Na tradingi kutalingana. By 3 asubuhi mimi have an alarm. Kwa sababu I'm serious forex. I trade seriously. Forex mostly at 3. Sometimes I wake up at 3. Kuna trades poa sana at 3 asubuhi za volatility. Volatility has very good trades at 3 in the morning. Naona niwaambia before hata niende angalieni crash 300. Hope aki mmechukua hii trade. Chukueni hiyo trade. Chukueni hiyo. Hizo ni pesa za bure. Chukueni hiyo crash 300. Chukueni crash 300 trade. Hizo ni pesa za bure. Free money. And the reason I give out trades is because when none of you is taking my money, tunakulia pesa. Maana derivative inafukuzanga. And I need nataka kufungua account. I need another msimu mwingine mmoja nifungue account. I need account nyingine. Nafunguanga account zangu za delivery na details za wase. Wenye wafanyangi forex hawana interest. Naambia huyo mtu nataka unifungulie account ya forex. Fungua account ya ni mimi na hata nafungua. Na details zake KRA na create everything. Nachukua account. Atakuwa ananidepositia pesa. Hata withdraw atakuwa na withdraw bado hata hazinisumbuangi. Ile time nataka kudeposit ama withdraw. Napiga. Mbona upendi visa? Nani alisema sipendi V75? I do love V75. Like what time do you trade? Nimesema na mkanga 3. Candlestick ya volatility ya kwanza it's open by 3. The next one after 4 hours, the next candlestick is at 7. The other one is at 11 right now. The other one is at 3. The other one is at 7. The other one is at 11. And the one goes back to 3. Inaendanga hivyo. Candlestick ya volatility asubuhi inafunguliwa a new candlestick ya volatility haianzangi kama forex. Candlestick ya forex huanzia saa 6 za usiku. That is when a new candlestick for forex is formed. For volatility, it's quite different. It starts from 3. You trade after every maybe 4 hours. Ama inaangalia, ina depend. And then another thing, if I'm looking for 6 hours, so candlesticks imeanzia 3. If I'm monitoring 6 hours time frame, I'll go from 3, I add 6 hours. That is 9 in the morning. I add another 6 hours. That is 12. That is 3. Mchana. And then I add another 6 hours. Inakuja, pana. Inakuja 7. Hapana inakuja 7 kweli. Pana inakuja 7. Nini ufam? 3. We add 6 hours. Add 9. Nini hapana? Haiwezi kuwa 9. Kano 6 ya 6 hours. Nini nasahau your time frame. Kano 6 ya kwanzia 3 add 6 hours, 6 hours, 6 hours. If you are looking for 8 hours, wanataka ku trade na 8 hours, kwanzia 3 add 8 hours, 8 hours, 8 hours. Utajua time frame ya hiyo. Utajua hiko kuna joto. Utajua time frame ya kuingia. But mostly I check on depend on what I'm checking of. Kama ni day time frame, I want to trade na day. Nataka ku press trade na day like today. I needed to trade which trade? I wish hata boom 1000 niliamka hiyo asubuhi nikaiplace. Hata hii nini nilipeana 3 asubuhi. Gani? Sipeana trade leo. Ni jana ni venyewe nilipeana trade. The step crash 600 in the morning. at 3. So it always depend na kenye unaangalia kwa soko. Always depend na kenye unatafuta kwa soko. Wacheni niende, hii class imekuwa mrefu sana. Have a lovely day. Tumesoma kutosha. Napenda V75, ni wewe hujaniambia nikuangalie. Kama ulikuwa unataka nikuangalia, I really love V75, not that complicated. Although squeeze ina derail, ina consolidate to position moja ina boom. But I do not hate V75 at all. Sawa, you have a lovely day. Watu wenye watatoa job watakuja kuona hii video, na sitaki kuwe mrefu sana. Sawa, take care.